Hello! Welcome this short video presentation of Life Farm Global Network and Forever Rich Philippines Compensation Plan. Ang pag-usapan natin sa video na to kung paano kakikita sa Life Farm Global Network business. Ipapakita namin sa iyo kung paano ka kumikita yung mga members na kagaya namin sa opportunity na to. This video is brought to you by Team Kage Online Entrepreneurs. Maybe you are watching this video because one of our team members ay na-introduce sa iyo ang opportunity ng Life Farm Global Network and Forever Rich Philippines. So after mong panoorin itong video na to, make sure to contact the person na nag-introduce sa iyo ng Life Farm Global Network and Forever Rich Philippines para sa iyong karagdagang tanong. Okay, let's start. Bali, pag-usapan natin sa video na to ay yung 10 kitaan or 10 ways of earnings ng Life Farm Global Network at saka yung free team benefits of Team Kage Online Entrepreneurs at pag-uusapan natin to lahat ng maigi mamaya. Actually, ito yun. Okay. More surprise team benefits. So the 10 ways to generate income are both weekly and monthly earning opportunities. The weekly earnings opportunities includes are retail profit, fast start bonus, break-even bonus, 2x12 matrix bonus, matrix match bonus, coded bonus, coded match bonus. And monthly earnings opportunities includes are leadership bonus, leadership match bonus, and a global poll bonus. So, and important things to remember, kung mag-decide ka na mag-purchase ng Life Starter Package or bumili ng 3 boxes of Laminine para maging member ng Life Farm Global Network, you are automatically entitled sa lahat ng income, bonuses, incentives, at rewards. And one time lang ang investment sa Life Farm Global Network, pero pwede kang kumita ng unlimited income kahit magkano ang gusto mo. And we will also update sa mga bagong product ng mga na maging additional ng Life Farm Global Network, and you will automatically avail. Okay, pag-uusapan na natin yung first ways of earning or unang kitaan na tinatawag na retail profit. So, the retail profit or direct selling, ito yung tinatawag na benta-benta. And I would like to inform you na ang Laminine at Laminine Omega+++ or are the same price. So, ang suggested retail price ng Laminine or Omega++ ay $58 or 2,820 pesos. Pero once na maging member ka na, mabibili mo to sa halagang $48 or 2,320 pesos na lamang as a distributor price. So, ibig sabihin, kung kapag nakapag-save ka ng $10 or 500 pesos per box, and take note, the price are inclusive of 12% VAT. At ang isang box ng Laminine ay meron pong 26 CV or commissionable value, and all percentage will based on CV. So, ibig sabihin, dito nanggagaling yung kita natin sa Life Farm Global Network. Okay, let's continue. So, bigyan kita ng computation sa retail profit or direct selling. Let's say member ka na at binili mo ang Laminine ng $48 or 2,320 pesos as a wholesale price or membership price at binibenta mo ng 58 US dollars or 2,820 pesos as a SRP class. So, ibig sabihin, you will earn $10 or $500 per box. So, bigyan ka ng quick example para lubos mong maintindihan itong retail profit. So, if this is you at binibenta mo yung isa kay May, meron kang $10. So, what if kung 7 yung nabintahan mo, meron kang $70 per month. Or wait, kung kaya mong ibenta ng isang linggo or isang araw for purchase made from Philippines. Okay, let's proceed. So, pag-uusapan naman natin yung second ways of earnings or pangalawang kitaan. Ito yung tinatawag na fast start bonus. You can have unlimited income or receive 15% CV every time you sponsor personally enrolled distributor or IBO to join you. And no flash out, no maximum income. And take note, ito ay paid weekly. So ito yon. Kapag ikaw ay nagsimula ng magkaroon ng mga direct referrals, sila yung mailalagay sa ilalim ng iyong Genealogy 3 accounts.